Hi guys, today we're going to be doing sensational sound effects. What you will need for this is pens, paper and objects that make noise.
The aim of the activity is to become a sound artist and to create a scene.
What you'll get out of it is you'll be able to create sound effects, you'll be using your creativity, you'll be able to solve problems and it will help develop your performance skills.
The first step will be to look around your house to see if you can find objects that will make noise.
Once you've done that, you need to spend about 10 to 15 minutes either writing down or planning out a scene.
The scene should last around 20 seconds and to use the objects that you found. For example, tinfoil made plastic rain.
If you have any pets, you could use their toys to make sounds like a bell.
Make sure you spend some time practicing so you don't get it wrong.
Once you've finished practicing, film yourself and send it to your guide readers.
This was a bit of a quicker video, but we wanted to give you guys some time to be creative and not give you too many ideas. So, thank you for watching.
And make sure you stay safe.